Welcome to the community of
engineers, the change agents in the society.
Now let's solve an example problem. Calculate the angle of incidence of direct radiation at 1100 hours solar time on January 20th in the vicinity of city Texla, Pakistan on surface facing with following orientations where latitude is 33.75 degrees. The first orientation, horizontal surface, then surface tilted to south at slope 35 degree, then at slope of 35 degree but facing 25 degree east of south, then vertical facing south, and at the end vertical facing west. Now to solve this problem for the first orientation where the plate is placed in horizontal position means the value of beta would be 0. So considering the general expression for the angle of incidence, here we see the value of beta, the sine beta, that is going to be 0, and once we use 0, the entire term would be 0. Similarly, here we have the value of sine beta, so this term would also be 0. Again we have the value of sine beta here, so this term would also be 0. So instead of using this generic expression for the angle of incidence, we would be using the reduced expression where the angle of incidence theta is equal to the zenith angle. So instead of using this generic expression, we would be using this reduced expression. Now here in this reduced expression, we would be requiring the value of declination, that we have to find the value of latitude, the phi we have, that is 33.75, and we have to calculate the value of our angle, that is omega. Now to calculate the value of declination, we would be requiring the day of the year, the value of n. To calculate value of n, in this case that is very simple because that is the 20th January. So the value of n would be 20. Now to calculate the value of declination using this expression and using the value of n, that is the day of the year 20, so the declination on 20th January would be minus 20.34 degree. Now to calculate the hour angle for 11 am, for 11 am, since it is am, we would be using the negative sign, and between 12 to 11 there are 60 minutes, and multiply with 0.25, so the value of omega would be minus 15. Now we have the value of the latitude, that is 33.75. We have the value of declination, that is minus 20.34, and we have the value of omega, that is minus 15. Now using these values in this expression, so we would be having cos theta, the value of cos theta, that is 0.5599. So the value of theta, the angle of incident, would be 55.95. Now to solve B part of the problem, where the plate is placed in southward direction and the slope of the plate is 35 degree. So we have the value, that is gamma, that is 0, and the value of beta is 35 degrees. Here instead of using this general expression, we would be using the modified expression where we require the value of phi, the latitude, and we have the value of latitude, that is 33.75, and the value of beta, that is 35 degree. Here we have to calculate the value of declination. tilt of the earth at that specific day, and the value of omega for 11 am. Now to calculate the value of declination, the n, the day of the year, we calculate is 20th January, so the value of n is 20. Now using this value n in this expression of declination, so we have the value of declination, that is minus 20.34 degrees. Now to calculate the value of omega, since it is 11 am, so we would be using negative sign in 60 minutes from 11 am till 12 and multiply with 0.25. So we have the value of omega, that is minus 15. Now we have the values of phi, that is 33.75, value of beta, that is 35 degrees, value of declination, that is minus 20.34, and the value of omega, that is minus 15. So using these values in this modified expression, and after computing this, we get the value of cos theta, that is 0.913. So the value of theta would be the angle of incidence 24.07. Now solving for C part of the problem, where the plate is placed at slope 35 degrees, so the value of beta would be 35, and the facing of the plate is 25 degree east of south. Since it is east of south, so we would be using the negative sign, so the value of gamma would be minus 25 degree. Now considering this generic expression, here the value of declination for 20th January we have already calculated in the last part, that is minus 20.34. The value of phi that is given in the statement, that is 33.75. The slope beta, that is 35 degree, and the value of gamma minus 25 degree, since it is placed east of south, and the value of omega as we have calculated for the last part, that is minus 15 degree. So using these values in the expression, and after computing, we get the value of cos theta, that is 0.9293, and the angle of incidence would be 21.67. Now solving for D part of the problem, where the plate is placed vertical, so the value of beta, the slope of the plate, is 90 degree and facing southward, so the angle of azimuth, the value of gamma would be 0. So instead of using this general expression, we would be using the modified expression, where we have to have the values of this phi that is given in the statement. The value is 33.75. The value of beta, again, that is 90 degree, and the value of declination on 20th January that we have already calculated, the value is minus 20.34, and the value of our angle omega that we have also calculated, the value that is minus 15. So using these values in the expression, and after computing, we have the value of cos theta, that is 0.7922. So the angle of incidence theta would be 37.61. Now solving for E part of the problem, where the plate is placed in vertical direction, means the slope of the plate beta, that is 90 degree, and facing westward, so the azimuth angle, the gamma, that is 90 degree. If it would have been facing towards east, then it would have been minus, but since it is facing towards west, so it is positive 90. Now considering general expression, here in this expression we need to have the values of declination, which we have already calculated the value, that is minus 20.34 degree, and the value of phi, that is the latitude already given in the statement, the value is 33.75, the value of beta, that is 90 degree, and the value of gamma, again 90 degree, and the value of our angle omega, which we have already calculated, the value of omega is minus 15 degree. Now using these values in the expression, now after computing we have the value of cos theta, that is minus 0.2427. So the angle of incidence would be 104.04, and we know that the angle of incidence above 90 degree means the plate is not facing the sun.